Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm just showing you that I got my ball bearing out of one of my fidget spinners. See? Finger can go through it now. Here's the ball bearing. And you can even see that. It's right here. Here's ball bearing. Oh yeah. And one of my fidget spinners. These caps. This cap. This is cap. Just to let you know, so you know. It's off my red fidget spinner. So yeah, see you guys next time. Just showing you that.